Nosiboo Eco Baby Nasal Aspirator. The mouth operated by Nosiboo is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Soft silicone tip. The nose tip is made of soft, BPA-free silicone to make sure that it does not irritate the baby's nose. Easy to clean. The manufacturer's engineers had been working hard to create a device that makes the life of mothers and their little ones easier. That is how the colibri head was created. The head is the only part of the device that needs cleaning after a nose cleaning session. It can be taken apart and simply washed under running water. BPA-free, Nosiboo cares. That is why the manufacturer exclusively uses materials that are absolutely harmless to humans. The manufacturer made this sure by strict and thorough testing. Compact and portable, the Nosiboo Eco Nasal Aspirator comes in a handy plastic box that can be reused for transporting the device. Ideal for holidays, visits to the family or baby showers. Full control over suction power, no need to over-explain. The Nosiboo Eco Nasal Aspirator is powered by your own lung, so you can decide how strong you wish or can perform suctioning.